In a huge pile of apples and oranges, both ripe and unripe mixed together, 50% are unripe fruits. Of the unripe fruits, 45% are apple. Of the ripe ones, 60% are oranges. If the pile contains a total of 56 lakh 92,000 fruits, how many of them are apples? There are a total of 56 lakh 92,000 fruits. Out of that, 50% is unripe and 85% is ripe. In unripe, there are 45% apple and 55% oranges. In ripe, there are 34% apples and 66% oranges. Total number of apple is unripe apples plus ripe apples. In unripe apples, 15% of 45 plus in ripe apples 85% of 34% into total number of fruits, we get 2029198 number of apples. Therefore, answer is option A.